Why are there not more people talking about the timeless art of needle tatting? Dive into this enchanting craft with us. Welcome to a journey through the delicate and intricate world of needle tatting. Introducing the Best Needle Tatting Lace Flower Knitting Book, your ultimate guide to mastering this beautiful craft. Written in simplified Chinese, this 96-page treasure trove is not just a book. It is a gateway to creating stunning decorative collars, bracelets, and more, with ease and elegance. Don't worry about the language barrier. The vivid photos and clear diagrams transcend language, making it perfect for crafters at all levels. Discover the richness of embroidery techniques, from crewel work to silk shading. Every page bursts with expert advice and step-by-step guidance. Plus, a new section dedicated to mounting your artwork will help elevate your craft to display-worthy levels. Compact in size but vast in knowledge, this book, shipped straight from our workshop in Hong Kong, is waiting to be a part of your crafting journey. Visit us at etsy.com, and remember, every stitch you make is a stitch towards perfection. Thank you from all of us at Love Crafts and Design.